Hello, this is a 2005 Ford Taurus, and today I took the seats out of the car and the back seat out of the car. It's really easy to get the back seat out. All you have to do is push the seat towards the back of the car, and you'll notice underneath there's a clip, and that clip simply hooks into the front. At least on the 96 to about 2007 Ford Tauruses, there's a little clip right here. Alright, so you can pop the back seat out and do some major cleaning. If you're real careful, you can get these seats pretty wet, but you don't want to get this rag material wet. There's a plastic backing on these carpets, but underneath that is this rag. If this stuff gets wet, it can get real moldy and smelly. So for the seats themselves, the driver's seat for example, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments. It has 2 clips. This one clip here has a little red thing you slide back and pull that out. That's for the alarm. This one here is for the power seat. The bottom of the passenger seat, I believe, is pretty similar. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you have a clip here and another clip there with that safety feature. The center console is similar. I'm going to vacuum this seat out real good, and I'm actually going to get this carpet pretty wet. It's a real hot day. It'll dry up pretty good. Alright, so you have, that's one of the bolts that holds it down. Here's another one that holds it down. That's a 3/4 I'm using. No, it's a millimeter. I'm not sure which it is. It'd be better if I had a deep one. And this is a number 13 bolt on here that holds that one. The tricky part is these clips that go on the back of the seat, like that. Over here, you pull those off, and you'll notice the bottom, they have a little metal clip right here, and that metal clip needs to go a certain direction. You can kind of tell where it was. Just stick it back on there. You need to pry it a certain way on the inside. You can see there's a little clip in there that, focus, there's a little clip that clips onto the seat. Same thing. There's this clip, but then there's this other little metal clip, and there's a little bar that goes through there. So you want to be careful you don't break these. You could always pick them up at a salvage yard. But if you're careful, you can use Meguiars. I find the only carpet cleaner that works worth a damn, and I've used a lot of them, is Meguiars. I use Meguiars wax. I use most Meguiars products. This stuff here, Meguiars carpet cleaner, it's the only one that doesn't leave a lot of soap in the fabric. So anyway, this one here, I took the Meguiars, sprayed it down real good, used a brush. It's real foamy. Sprayed the thing off. Leave these things sitting in the sun for about a good day with a hot sun on them, and you'll be surprised how nice they clean up. And because it's a very dense type of foam, it dries up pretty good. Other kinds of foams, they'll hold that water for pretty much forever. And that's it. It's really not that difficult. And I'm going to use a wet dry vac. I'm going to use the Meguiars. I'm going to use some water, and I'm going to get this thing real wet. And that wet dry vac is really going to pull out a lot of the moisture, but with a nice hot day, most of this stuff will come out dry. I recommend you do this in the months of June, July, and August, or on a very hot day, and leave the car open as much as possible. It should dry up. Good luck.